How to unfollow someone on Plex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily unfollow a friend or a user you previously connected with on Plex. First of all, open the Plex application on your computer, phone, or tablets, and then make sure you are logged into your account. From the homepage of Plex, go to the upper right corner and tap on your name initial or your profile icon. From the expanded menu, click on Friends. Now, go to the following list at the top of the screen and you'll be able to see all of the people or contacts that you followed. To unfollow someone, go ahead and click the following button right next to their name. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to unfollow the contact. They'll be removed from your following list right away. So that is how you can easily unfollow someone on Plex. Now the person will no longer appear in your friends feed. They will not be notified that you unfollowed them, but you will no longer see their activity or their shared media. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.